Welcome to Today's Top Stories in Artificial Intelligence, your trusted guide to the most important and fascinating developments in AI. We cut through the noise to bring you the stories shaping the future of technology, from groundbreaking research to real-world impacts. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or just curious about what's next, you're in the right place. Ukraine's June 1st Spider's Web drone raid sent 117 AI-assisted FPV drones deep into Russian territory, reportedly damaging strategic bombers. The operation combined smuggling, covert assembly, GPS spoofing, and AI-driven swarm coordination, offering a chilling preview of AGI-enabled warfare. Experts say this marks a turning point, with AI moving from a support role to orchestrating entire combat operations. As AGI development accelerates, the world must urgently confront its ethical, strategic, and security implications. OpenAI's battle against malicious AI use intensifies. Source: OpenAI blog, June 4, 2025. OpenAI's latest report reveals how its threat intelligence team has disrupted global AI-driven abuse campaigns, including job scams, disinformation, and influence ops, linked to actors in Asia and beyond. The report highlights rising threats and calls for industry-wide collaboration, applauding similar efforts by Google and Anthropic. It's a key step toward curbing large-scale malicious use of AI. U.S. cuts to science are boosting China's AI leadership. Source: The Guardian, 8 June 2025. Helen Toner, former OpenAI board member and now CSET director, warns that U.S. restrictions on research and international student visas risk accelerating China's AI dominance. She argues that limiting foreign talent and scientific inquiry gives China a strategic edge, as seen in breakthroughs like the DeepSeek model. While raising concerns about job displacement and unchecked AI influence, Toner remains hopeful about AI's potential to transform healthcare and road safety. This story underscores how U.S. policy choices may shape the future balance of global tech leadership. AI's tipping point: AI Plus Summit signals. Major shift. Source: Axios, AI Plus Summit, tipping points galore, June 5, 2025. At the AI Plus Summit in New York, experts warned that AI is reaching a tipping point, rapidly transforming software, communication, culture, and governance. AI is now training itself, chatbots are reshaping human interaction, and lawmakers are pushing to block state-level regulation for a decade. As creativity faces exploitation and oversight lags behind, the summit underscored urgent questions about who controls AI's future and how society can keep pace. AI surge, the fastest tech revolution. Yet. Source: TechCrunch, May 30, 2025. Julie Bort summarizes Mary Meeker's 340-page AI report, spotlighting the technology's explosive growth, surpassing the pace of mobile, social, and cloud revolutions. Highlights include ChatGPT reaching 800 million users in 17 months, a 99% drop in inference costs, and NVIDIA's GPU achieving 105,000x energy efficiency gains. While adoption is soaring and infrastructure is maturing, questions remain about which AI firms can survive the cash burn and lead sustainably in this high-speed race. DeepMind warns of AI job disruption within 5 years, urges Gen Alpha to adapt. Source: Radical Data Science, June 2, 2025. This past week, Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis delivered a stark warning, advising teenagers, specifically Generation Alpha, to actively embrace artificial intelligence now or risk being left behind. He emphasized AI's role as the defining technology of their future, suggesting it will significantly disrupt job markets within the next 5 years. This outlook highlights the urgency for younger generations to develop AI literacy and adaptable skills to navigate an increasingly AI-driven professional landscape. It's a call to action for education and proactive engagement with evolving technologies, rather than a passive acceptance of their impact. AI Accelerator, not Job Terminator, Pichai's Vision for Growth. Source: TechCrunch, June 4, 2025. Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai downplayed fears of mass job losses from AI, calling it an accelerator that boosts engineers' productivity by offloading routine tasks. At Bloomberg's tech conference, he emphasized continued hiring in 2025, driven by growth in projects like Waymo and quantum computing. While acknowledging past layoffs, Pichai stressed AI's current limitations and the ongoing need for human oversight, framing the technology as a tool for innovation, not replacement. Talking to history, AI breathes life into cultural artifacts. Source: OpenAI Forum, Living Histories, AI as a Bridge to Cultural Heritage, Memory and Belonging, June 5, 2025. In a groundbreaking pilot at Singapore's Peranakan Museum, visitors can now scan QR codes to chat with cultural artifacts, like kebaya blouses and porcelain jars, powered by AI. Developed by OpenAI, Ask Mona, and the National Heritage Board, the system uses curator-approved content to deliver accurate, engaging stories in multiple languages. This initiative brings 95% of Singapore's unseen heritage to life, bridging generations and cultures while redefining how we connect with history. AI surpasses humans in emotional intelligence tests, a new frontier for understanding AI capabilities. Source: Radical Data Science, June 2, 2025. In a surprising breakthrough, researchers from the University of Geneva and the University of Bern found that AI systems, like ChatGPT, now outperform humans in emotional intelligence tests. This challenges long-held beliefs about AI's limits in empathy and opens the door to new applications in therapy, customer service, and emotionally aware digital experiences. Reddit files lawsuit against Anthropic, alleges illegal data scraping for AI training. Source: AP News, June 4, 2025. In a major legal move, Reddit has sued AI firm Anthropic, alleging it illegally scraped user comments to train its Claude chatbot without consent or compensation. Reddit claims Anthropic used bots to bypass restrictions and violated its terms of use, framing the case around unfair competition rather than copyright. The lawsuit underscores growing tensions over AI training data and content creators' rights. AI to wipe out half of entry-level white-collar jobs, says Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei. Source: New APPs, Art, Politics, Philosophy, Science, June 5, 2025. In a bold prediction, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei warned that AI could eliminate up to half of all entry-level white-collar jobs within the next 1 to 5 years. With AI agents rapidly advancing in tasks like coding, finance, and customer support, Amodei's view, shared by many industry leaders, underscores growing expectations of a swift shift from human workers to machines, sparking urgent debates about the pace and scale of AI-driven job disruption. Walmart piloting AI-powered interview coach and job simulator for veterans. Source: corporate.walmart.com, June 6, 2025. Walmart is piloting AI tools to support veterans transitioning to civilian jobs, including an interview coach, skills matching system, and job simulator. The initiative showcases a thoughtful use of AI in human resources, offering personalized prep, tailored job matches, and realistic workplace simulations to ease career transitions and improve hiring outcomes. AI diagnoses: eye movement disorders from home, revolutionizing remote healthcare. Source: Neuroscience News, Skynet and Chill, June 6, 2025. AI can now diagnose eye movement disorders from home, a breakthrough for remote healthcare. By analyzing eye movements, it enables early detection and monitoring of neurological conditions, especially for those in remote or underserved areas. This innovation boosts accessibility, eases strain on healthcare systems, and shows AI's growing impact on everyday well-being. Runway hosts AI Film Festival to spotlight machine intelligence in cinema. Source: The Hollywood Reporter, Skynet and Chill, June 6, 2025. This week, Runway hosted an AI film festival spotlighting the growing role of machine intelligence in cinema. From visual effects to script writing, the featured projects showed how AI is becoming a powerful creative partner. The event offered a glimpse into the future of filmmaking, where human artistry and AI innovation meet. ABBA musician Björn Ulvaeus says he's using AI to help write a musical. Source: People.com, Skynet and Chill, June 6, 2025. ABBA's Björn Ulvaeus is using AI to help write a new musical, highlighting how even legendary artists are embracing technology as a creative partner. While details remain scarce, The move signals AI's growing role in the arts, not just as a technical tool, but as a collaborator in songwriting and theatrical production. It's a striking example of how AI is reshaping the future of creative expression. Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis, reportedly working on next-generation email with AI capabilities. Source: Gadgets, 360, Skynet and Chill, June 6, 2025. Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis is leading the development of a next-generation AI-powered email system designed to reply in a user's unique style. This ambitious project aims to transform email from a routine task into a personalized, automated experience. By handling both management and composition with human-like nuance, the tool could redefine how individuals and businesses communicate, boosting productivity and setting a new standard for intelligent digital correspondence. Artificial intelligence is now an A+ law student, study finds. Source: Reuters, Skynet and Chill, June 6, 2025. A remarkable study by University of Maryland confirms AI models are now performing at the level of law students. This signifies a monumental leap in AI's ability to grasp and process intricate legal concepts. The finding heralds a transformative era for the legal industry, where AI could significantly streamline research and analysis. It underscores AI's rapid advancement and its profound implications for professional domains, sparking conversations about its evolving role in specialized human tasks. Perplexity AI hits 780 million queries in May, AI's massive growth source. Perplexity AI website, June 6, 2025. Perplexity, the AI native search engine, is surging, with 780 million queries in May, 22 million users, and $100 million in annual revenue. CEO Aravind Srinivas announced plans for a new Comet browser that lets AI not just find, but act on information. With user growth up 20% month-over-month and a potential $18 billion valuation in sight, Perplexity is rapidly emerging as a formidable challenger to traditional search engines. Anthropic launches Claude Gov for national security source. ZDNet, June 6, 2025. Anthropic has unveiled Claude Gov, a new family of AI models built specifically for U.S. national security and government use. Designed to manage sensitive and classified data, the models support tasks like intelligence analysis and operational planning. Developed with input from federal users and rigorously tested for safety, this launch highlights a broader shift. Top AI labs are increasingly tailoring advanced tools for defense, signaling deeper collaboration between Silicon Valley and Washington in shaping the future of secure AI deployment. DeepMind's AlphaEvolve, an AI that discovers new algorithms source, superteams.ai, June 4, 2025. Google DeepMind's new AI system, AlphaEvolve, autonomously discovers and improves complex algorithms using an evolutionary approach. It has already outperformed a 50-year-old human-designed method for matrix multiplication and is being applied to chip design and data center optimization. By generating, testing, and refining its own code, AlphaEvolve marks a breakthrough in AI's ability to innovate, not just execute, signaling a new era where machines can evolve solutions beyond human design. AI takes center stage in the future of agriculture source. Global Ag Tech Initiative, June 2, 2025. AI is transforming farming from the ground up, ushering in a new era of precision agriculture. Industry experts project it to become a $5 billion market by 2028. From smart tractors that target pests to systems that optimize planting using weather and soil data, AI is boosting sustainability, cutting waste, and increasing yields. This shift isn't just about automation, it's about feeding the future more efficiently, with fewer resources and smarter tools. Google DeepMind enhances Gemini 2.5 with advanced audio dialogue and generation source. Google Blog, June 3, 2025. Google DeepMind's Gemini 2.5 now features major upgrades in audio dialogue and generation, advancing its ability to understand and produce natural, context-aware speech. These enhancements mark a leap toward truly conversational AI, moving beyond text to more intuitive, voice-based interactions. By deepening multimodal capabilities, Gemini 2.5 sets the stage for assistants that feel less like tools and more like collaborators. New humanoid robots to be tested by Amazon for package delivery source. Singularity Hub, June 7, 2025. Amazon is developing software for humanoid robots to handle package deliveries, signaling a major leap in automating its global logistics. This move could dramatically boost efficiency and cut labor costs, while raising deeper questions about the future of human jobs in an increasingly robotic workforce. It's a bold step in the broader trend of advanced robotics transforming industry. And that wraps up another week of remarkable developments in the world of artificial intelligence. From the battlefield to the courtroom, the classroom to the code base, AI is no longer just evolving, it's accelerating, reshaping how we live, work, and govern. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next week with more stories that define the edge of what's next. Be sure to subscribe. Bob's AI channel, www.youtube.com, Bob's AI channel.